Imagine waking up to a world where AI is not just assisting, but completely transforming how businesses operate. The question is, are you ready to capitalize on this revolution? The AI boom is already creating millionaires. And if you want to be one of them in 2025, mastering these 7 AI skills is your golden ticket. Stay with me until the end because I'll share some jaw-dropping figures on how much people are making with these skills right now. From work automation to content creation and even financial decision-making, artificial intelligence is transforming industries at a rate never seen before. Companies are willing to pay top cash for individuals with the necessary skills, and the demand for AI knowledge is growing rapidly. The 7 most important AI abilities that will help you become wealthy in 2025 will be broken down in this video. These abilities can put you on the fast track to financial success, regardless of your level of IT expertise. Let's get started. 1. Machine learning and deep learning. The foundation of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which allows systems to learn from data and make judgments without the need for human input. Significant developments like facial recognition, self-driving cars, and AI-powered assistants are the result of deep learning, a subset of machine learning. Businesses may make data-driven decisions by using machine learning algorithms to examine patterns and trends in massive databases. To improve user experiences and streamline operations, sectors like e-commerce, healthcare, and finance are making significant investments in AI-driven solutions. Deep learning is making AI more human-like by mimicking neural networks in the human brain. Technologies like convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks power applications such as language translation, voice assistants, and medical diagnostics. Why it's lucrative. Companies are investing billions in AI-driven automation. Earning potential. AI engineers make $120,000 to $500,000 plus per year at top firms like Google, OpenAI, and Tesla. Where to learn. Online platforms like Coursera, Udacity, and MIT's AI program offer top-tier machine learning courses. Second, natural language processing. NLP is the field of AI that enables machines to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. This technology powers chatbots, virtual assistants, AI-generated content, and even real-time language translation. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are investing heavily in NLP technologies like GPT, generative pre-trained transformer models, which are capable of generating human-like text. Businesses are using NLP to enhance customer service, streamline workflows, and create AI-powered writing assistants. With the rise of AI-driven marketing and automation tools, mastering NLP can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Why it's lucrative. Businesses are leveraging AI-generated text, speech recognition, and language translation tools. Earning potential. NLP engineers earn an average of $140,000 per year, with some making over $200,000. Real-world use case. OpenAI ChatGPT, Google's Bard, and Amazon's Alexa are prime examples of NLP-driven success stories. Transformers. Transformers are a type of neural network architecture that has revolutionized NLP. They rely on self-attention mechanisms to process input data in parallel, rather than sequentially. Transformers have led to state-of-the-art models like bidirectional encoder representations from transformers and generative pre-trained transformer. Third, AI-powered automation and prompt engineering. Automation driven by AI is transforming industries by increasing productivity and getting rid of tedious jobs. AI is revolutionizing business operations at a pace never seen before, from software development to marketing. Prompt engineering, or the capacity to create efficient AI inquiries that produce the most pertinent and helpful answers, is a new area of study within AI automation. AI prompts are improved by subject matter experts to increase output quality and productivity. Industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and finance are changing due to automation, which lowers operating costs and boosts productivity. In many industries, human labor is already being replaced by AI-powered robotic process automation, making this a very lucrative expertise. Why it's lucrative. Companies are seeking experts who can enhance AI performance and maximize efficiency. Earning potential. Prompt engineers are making $250,000 plus annually at top tech firms. How to start? Experiment with AI tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Jasper AI, and OpenAI API. 4. AI in finance and trading. One of the largest industries implementing AI-driven decision-making is the finance sector. AI is transforming investment methods, risk analysis, and stock trading. AI-driven trading bots precisely pinpoint lucrative investment possibilities by analyzing vast volumes of financial data in real time. AI is being incorporated into trading techniques by fintech startups, hedge funds, and investment organizations. AI is also being used by financial institutions for automated financial advising, credit rating, and fraud detection. AI-powered robot advisors are offering both consumers and companies affordable investment options. Why it's lucrative? Hedge funds and investment firms are willing to pay top dollar for AI-driven insights. Earning potential. Quantitative analysts and AI-driven traders earn between $150,000 and $500,000 per year. How to get involved? Learn Python, TensorFlow, financial modeling, and algorithmic trading strategies. 5. AI in cybersecurity. AI is essential in stopping cyber attacks as the sophistication of cyber threats increases. Compared to conventional security procedures, AI-driven cybersecurity systems identify and eliminate threats more quickly. Algorithms that use machine learning examine network traffic patterns, spot possible weaknesses, and detect threats in real time. AI-driven cybersecurity solutions aid in thwarting malware assaults, phishing schemes, and data breaches. There is a greater need than ever for AI security specialists because cybercrime is expected to cost the global economy $10.5 trillion yearly by 2025. Why it's lucrative. Businesses and governments are investing heavily in AI-driven security solutions. Earning potential. AI cybersecurity experts earn $120,000 to $400,000 per year. Key tools to learn. Security information and event management, anomaly detection, and AI-driven threat intelligence. 6. AI in healthcare and biotech. AI is revolutionizing the healthcare and biotech industries by improving medical diagnostics, accelerating drug discovery, and personalizing treatment plans. AI-driven medical imaging tools assist doctors in diagnosing diseases like cancer and neurological disorders. Machine learning algorithms analyze patient data to predict potential health risks and recommend preventive measures. Pharmaceutical companies are using AI to streamline drug discovery, significantly reducing research time and costs. Personalized medicine powered by AI tailors treatments based on an individual's genetic profile. Why it's lucrative. The AI healthcare market is projected to reach $200 billion by 2030. Earning potential. AI specialists in biotech earn $150,000 to $450,000 per year. How to get started. Focus on AI applications in genomics, medical imaging, and drug discovery. 7. AI-driven content creation and marketing. AI is transforming the content creation industry by automating writing, video editing, and image generation. From AI-written articles to AI-generated videos, businesses are leveraging AI to scale their content marketing efforts. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and Runway ML are making content production more efficient and cost-effective. AI-powered SEO tools analyze trends and optimize content for better online visibility. Social media platforms are also using AI to tailor content recommendations and improve user engagement. Why it's lucrative. Businesses need AI-powered content to enhance their digital presence. Earning potential. AI content creators and marketers can make $10,000 plus per month freelancing. Best AI tools: ChatGPT, Jasper AI, Runway ML for video generation, and Surfer SEO. The AI revolution is here, and those who adapt will thrive. Whether you're looking for a high-paying job or launching your own AI-powered business, mastering these 7 skills will put you ahead of the curve. Which AI skill interests you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on AI, tech, and wealth building strategies.